Hello everyone, myself Dr. Vivek. I have passed my MBBS from Delhi University College of Medical Sciences and I am currently in my first year of residency in pulmonary medicine in Delhi itself, that is Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute. I always wanted to go for a degree that is outside India, especially in US or UK. Although I was confused whether to go for US or UK. So after searching a lot and talking to my seniors, I got to know that I should be going for UK. But the thing was, there is no guidance at all present, especially in Delhi, for these courses. For that, I was looking online for so long, but when I found SsAcademy, it was really an eye-opener for me because I thought that they can really guide me. So when I heard that they are getting a course in Delhi itself, so I thought of joining it, and after coming here, I saw that how energetic sir is. And the thing was, he knows how to concise the things.
Provided this is very important, write down, this is the diagnostic test. 5-star in your exam, my dear. For the CL means the cerebral lymphoma.
He taught us very big topics in just one single pages and all, and which all are like, I think they will be high yielding because they only had the important things. That is very important to study because we can't go through every word and line. We have to know only the importance so that we can score well. So I hope that it will help me in my future, and let's see what happens.